We are shaping the future. We navigate uncharted realms, uncover new technologies, and accelerate what is possible. The deep blue we explore, the lands we survey, the air we fly, and into space we venture. We are always advancing. We are advanced navigation. Founded on a culture of research and discovery, we are the world's most determined innovator of artificial intelligence and deep learning. Our robotic and navigation technologies are the catalyst of the autonomy revolution. We explore the boundaries of science and extend human capabilities to build a more resilient and sustainable future with safer outcomes. Our technologies are guiding driverless vehicles, flying taxis, and autonomous agriculture. We enable robotic systems to improve lives and contribute to surveying hazardous areas to protect communities. Our autonomous underwater vehicle is revolutionizing undersea research, survey, and exploration. Our cloud-based robotic fleet platform is enhancing search and rescue, emergency response, and disaster relief. Off-planet, we're navigating to the moon and beyond to Mars. To further scientific discovery, unlock the lunar economy, and inspire a new generation of space explorers, powered by a deep curiosity to apply groundbreaking technology to discover, explore, and open new frontiers. Advanced navigation is committed to being at the forefront of autonomy, made possible with extensive research, testing, and automated manufacturing. We are discovering new technologies from inertial and sonar navigation to photonics and quantum sensing. By leveraging our capability in artificial intelligence, we are able to optimize performance across all solutions. Together with our partners, we are ultimately creating a more resilient, sustainable, and safer world. We are advanced navigation.